Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your device model and OS because menus differ. Once done, open Settings and go to Sound and Vibration. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off or configured to allow vibrations, otherwise your changes won't take effect. Look for a Vibrate on Silent or Vibrate for Calls toggle. Enable it immediately. If you see separate toggles for incoming calls and notifications, turn both on. This first step ensures the system accepts vibration while the phone remains silent. Once vibration is enabled, dig into Advanced or Vibration settings to refine how and when it vibrates. You can set intensity, low for discrete alerts or higher for noisy environments, and choose preset or custom patterns so you can identify events by feel. Assign specific patterns to calls, messages, alarms, and critical apps. This lets you keep most notifications silent while still getting important alerts. Make sure haptic feedback settings match your preference. Adjust until the tactile cues feel clear but not intrusive. You finish by testing. Place a call, send a message, and trigger an alarm to confirm vibration works while ringer is off. If it fails, restart the phone and then check battery saver, do not disturb schedules, and accessibility settings. Any can override vibration. Make sure apps have notification permission and that the OS is up to date. If problems persist, reset sound settings or perform a targeted reset. This usually restores vibration without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.